The Zulu nation is celebrated for being a united monarchy, and we want to see that unity continue beyond this. The death of our father should not serve as a source of division. The death of our father should not serve as a seed that divides a united Zulu nation. Many kings died, but you don't see the type of unity we see or we saw since the passing of our king, when the whole nation comes out in mourning and in celebration. It happens like that because of unity in the royal family and in the monarchy. And we hope to see that unity continue. We were undermined, and many kingdoms were undermined through infiltration and divisions in those monarchs. Today, those monarchs have been reduced to nothing. And we don't want to see this monarch being one of those failed African monarchs. That's why the United Nations Secretary General can release a statement to mourn the passing of the king of the Zulu nation. Why? He was a custodian of the unity and the culture of Zulu people. And that was recognized all over the world, to an extent that the Secretary General of the UN saw it befitting to release a statement in honor of our king. And it should be that those teachings that then tells us that it is this type of unity and the demeanor and how the king carried himself that made the world to respect this monarchy. So we don't want to hear tomorrow that after the king passed, there is something else we all don't know. We want to continue to be proud of this monarchy, of this royal family. When we interact with other royal families, we should encourage them to go to the Zulu nation and learn about how monarchs and royalty conduct itself.
Size la sizobhongela emswaneni ngoba isilo sesikhotheme. Isilo singubaba wethu sonke ngaphandle kobuZulu, kodwa ube embrace zonke izizwe. Isilo siqemeke ingozi engeqiwantwala ngendlela izinto ezenzeke ngayo, besingabhekile ukuthi ubayede angashiya kulesimo esikusona kwezepolitiki eMzansi, ngoba bese kuyilona izwi ebeselisele elithi malikhuluma kuzwakale. Nezizwe ezinye bezisho zithi uma isilo singakakhulumi akwenzeki lutho. Siyazi ukuthi isilo besibathanda abasebenzi baseyimayini.